right, here is your graph paper division. The first one in your packet that looks like this. Says division 3-digit dividends, 2 or 3-digit quotients. Okay? Here's your McDonald's stuff. So ready, real quick, ready, set, go. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw? So this is just our acronym, our way to organize and remember the steps, okay? So, ready? Read them off. Set, go.
Determine, multiply, subtract, check, bring down in box, repeat or remainder.
So we're going to go through this. The people in McCain Fourth watching the video land get to hear all of your wonderful voices. Okay? All right. So here we go. The very first thing that you need to remember is, are we able to divide the hundreds? Okay. Or do we need to instantly put a 0 and divide up this number 12 instead? Regroup this and split up these 12 10-packs. Okay? All right, so let's just work through these together. We'll try to get this whole page done. Okay? So, very, very first thing that we're going to do, let's go ahead and we're going to put it right here on the edge. Leave the room for your regroup arrow. But let's go ahead and do it right here. Say your McDonald's thing. Ready, set, go.
Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw?
So you can see I'm doing it right up against the line, so I have space. If I do 2 check marks per box, then I can handle a 4-digit column. Okay? All right, go ahead and let's just draw our horizontals to organize our check marks. You really don't even need to as much because you have the check boxes if you don't want to. Not a big deal. Okay, hold on. All right, so here we go. I just want you, we're just going to get into this awesome routine where you just keep charging through, going through the steps and telling me what to do. And we'll do it together real quick. Okay, so ready? Starting with determine. Make sure you're doing your taps where you say determine 6 times what. And this is your first spot. And we're looking at the 100 spot. So ready, set, go. Determine 6 times what gets me close to 1
without going over.
And your number, James, is 0. Put it right in there. Okay, check off determine. Now we're going to go down to multiply. So ready, say multiply and then tap. Ready, set, go. Multiply 6 times 0 equals 0. But hold on a second, because let's look. If we do 0 and then subtract, we're going to bring down the 1, bring down the 2, and we'll have 12 again anyway. So that's sort of silly. If we have a 0, it's sort of silly to go through that. Let's just underline the 1 and the 2 and determine this next spot. Okay, so a 0 means, oh, we can just look at this number now and start. Okay, so start with determine again. Ready, set, go. Determine 6 times what gets me close to 12 without going over. What's your number there? 6 times what gets me close? 6 times 2. How do you know? Because 6 times 3 is 18. Okay. So now we check off multiply and do it. Ready, set, go. Multiply 6 times 2 equals 12. And so you write it. And we know that worked because it was right on. You can't get any better than that. All right, ready? Next one. The S. Go. Subtract 12 minus 12 equals 0. So that's what I want you to get in the habit of, is being able to do that. All right, next one. Ready? C is what? Check is the king happy. What we mean is we have a leftover of 0. Can we pass out any more to the 6 people? No, we have a total of 126 Smarties. We passed out these 12 10-packs, and we don't have any 10-packs left, so we did a good job. Remember, if this is a 6 and a 6, you did it wrong. Because if I have 6 10-packs, go get from Mr. Pizza. Go. And then, if it's the same, then we know we could have passed out. Okay? All right, so next, B. Ready, set, go. Bring down and box. But I want you to tell me bring down the and say what it is. So do it again. Ready, set, go.
Bring down the 6 and box.
So we're going to do it like that. So you're actually saying what to do. So we just joined the leftovers with all of our leftover ones. And now we have a new tray of Smarties. What's on the new tray of Smarties ready to pass out, Izzy? 6 Smarties right here, okay? This is all dead to us, like Shark Tank, okay? All right, so we brought down one person. How do you know that we're repeating right now? Go ahead.
Because there's no spot left. Because
Yeah?
there's still a spot.
There's no spots left in the...
spot left in the
Nice job, in the quotient. Great job. All right, so there's your 5 there. Nice job. If there's spots left in the quotient, and if, look now, the king is not happy. 6 and 6. Okay? All right, so here we go. We're going to repeat, so go back up to the top, and here's what's on our tray. So ready? Determine. Nice and loud, ready, set, go. Determine 6 times what gets me close to 6 without going over. What's your number? 6 times what? Come on, hands, 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 hands. 6 times what? Travis?
1.
6 times 1. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Because this is my last one, I'm going to just use this box. All right, time to multiply. Ready, set, go. M. Multiply 6 times 1 equals 6. Okay, next, S, go. Subtract
6 minus 6 equals 0.
The C, go.
Check.
Is the king happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so check it off. Okay, B.
Bring
Bring
down
down
and
and
box.
Nothing to bring down, but we can box our leftover tray, and we know that this is the remainder because someone, James?
Because we know it's the remainder because there are no spots left in the quotient.
Nice, no spots left in the quotient. Give him a man, you're good.
Man, you're good.
All right, so I need you going even faster and louder now. So we need to make this a routine, fluent thing, just like fluency in reading. Okay, so ready? Let's set up the next one. So just go straight to number 2. Okay, and here we go. Let's set up our McDonald's first. Say it with me as we write it. Ready, set, go.
Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw?
Okay. All right. Again, you can either do your lines, horizontal lines, or not, because it is on a grid already. So it's up to you. Okay. All right. So time to start with the D. Ready, set, get in a good fluent habit. Okay. I'll help you do it. Ready, set, go. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 1 without. What's your number?
3 times 0.
3 times nothing. That means since that doesn't work, let's just automatically join these together and divide them up. Okay, so let's determine again. Ready, set, go. Say determine, go. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 15 without going over. And your number, Logan. 5, 10, 15. You're right. That gets us right on. So now we're going to go to the M. Ready, set, go. Multiply 3 times 5 equals 15. And then draw your line. Go to the next thing. What's S? Go.
Subtract
15 minus 15 equals 0. What's the C? Ready, go. Check. Is the king happy? Yes. What's the B? Go. Bring down the 8. Nice job. Bring down the 8 and box. I want you to tell me what we're bringing down. What's left on the tray to share with our 3 people now? Go ahead, Riley. What's on the tray? Look at the box. The 8 left. This is all dead to us. We've already passed it out. All right, so here we go. We brought down and box, and we're going to repeat because there's space in the quotient. Back up to the top for determine. Ready, set, go. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 8 without going over. What's your number? Hands up, what's your number? 3 times what gets me close to 8 without going over? Participation helps you get really good at it. Go ahead, Kaylee.
2.
3 times 2 is 6. How do we know that works? Because 3 times 3 is 9, which goes over. So 3 times 2. Okay, the M, ready, go.
Multiply
3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, what's the S? Go.
Subtract
8 minus 6 equals 2. What's the C? Go. Check. Is the king happy?
Yes.
Okay, what's the B? Go.
Bring down and box.
So let's just box because there's nothing to bring down. And this is our remainder because there's no spots left in the quotient. Remainder 2. All right, go on to letter C. We're moving along at a good pace here, guys. You're getting good at this. All right, set up your McDonald's. Say it with me. Ready, set, go. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Raw. All right, so here we go. Right away. Start us off. Go. Determine 2 times what gets me close to 1 without
going over.
What's your number? Go ahead, Rayleigh. 0. So let's join it together with the next place value. Determine again. Put your check mark. Ready, set, go. Determine 2 times what gets me close to 11 without going over. All right, so what's your number? 2 times what? Go ahead, Maddie.
2 times 10 equals 10.
So 2 times 10 is 20, so that's too big.
I mean, 2 times 5.
That's what you meant, I know. 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 6 goes over, right? So 2 times 5. Let's multiply. Check it off and do it. Ready? Go. M means multiply. 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay, now S, go. Subtract 11
minus 10 equals 1.
So we just found out how much we have left over. Okay. C means go.
Check.
Is the king happy? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. B, go.
Bring
down the 3 in box. You'll get into that habit. Bring down the 3 in box. All right. Repeating because there's no spots left in the quotient. All right. So let's go ahead and repeat the process. Back up to D. Ready, set, go. Determine 2 times what gets me close to 13 without going over. So check off determine. What is your number? 2 times what gets me really close to 13?
2 times.
Izzy?
2 times 5.
2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. So 14 goes over. So if 7 is the one that goes over, what's it have to be? 6. 1 less. Good job. I know, lots of pressure in the moment. All right, so 2 times 6 is our number. Now, it's okay if you put 5. What happens? Well, the king doesn't end up being happy, and then you know that to go back. Okay? All right, so ready? We're on the multiply. Everyone ready, set, go. Multiply 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay, after multiply, go. Subtract 13 minus 12 equals 1. If your mouth isn't moving, try to make it move because it'll get you really good at this. All right, after subtracting, go.
Check. Is the king happy? Yes.
We did it right. Okay. B, go.
Bring down and box.
Nothing to bring down, but we can do what?
Box.
And this is our remainder of what? Okay. All right, down here. Ooh, I see the end. Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? Letter D, set it up. Right here, say the McDonald's. Ready, set, go. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw? Okay, go ahead, start it right away. Go. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 2 without going over. Check off determine. What's your number? 3 times what gets me close to 2? Go ahead. 3 times 0. So let's go ahead and underline both digits. Okay, ready? Next, M, go. Multiply 3 times 0 equals, but we're not doing that one, right? Okay, so because we're doing 26, so determine again. Ready, go, sorry. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 26 without going over. What's your number? And it's okay, you don't have to know the answer right away. Just go through, okay, like 3 times 4 is 12, that's not close. 3 times 6, 3 times, and keep going through. What do you got?
3 times 8 is
3 times 8 is 24, and I know that's right because 3 times 9 is 1 less 27. So good. 3 times 8. Let's M. Ready? Go. Multiply 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay, S. Go. Subtract 26 minus 24 equals 2. All right, C. Go. Check. Is the king happy? Yes. B. Go. Bring down the 9 and box it. What's on our tray now, Logan?
29.
So this is all dead to us. We have 29 that we're sharing with the 3 people. All right, and we're gonna repeat because there's spots in the quotient. Back up to determine. Ready, set, go. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 29 without going over. What's your number that you're determining, Riley? Sorry, Riley. 9. Because 3 times 9 is, and 3 times 10 doesn't make sense for one spot there. So 3 times 9, 1 less, 27. All right, let's determine and now multiply. Ready, go. Multiply 3 times 9 equals 27. Good thing you know all your multiplication, huh? All right, ready, ask, go. Subtract 29 minus 27 equals 2. Okay, C, go.
Check. Is the king happy? Yes.
B, go.
Bring down and box.
Nothing to bring down. And we're done because there's no spots in the
Quotient.
so a remainder of 2. Okay. All right, so moving on to letter E. Set up your McDonald's. Ready, set, go.
Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw? Yeah.
We're losing a little bit of space, but you'll be fine with this. We can go into our McDonald's thing. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's see if we can go a little bit faster now. A little bit faster now. That's a song. It's a YMCA song. Wait, maybe it's not. No, it's Shout. Shout. Put your hands up and shout. Come on now.
Is that
All
what?
Here we go. Ready? Faster. Let's get it together. All together as a group, as a big team. Starting with D. So ready? Determine 4 times what gets me close to 1 without going over. What's my number?
0.
0. So underline 19 instead. And let's check off determine. Okay, determine again. Ready, set, go. Determine 4 times what gets me close to 19 without going over. Raise your hand if you have the number in mind where you want to work through getting the number. 4 times what? That's not door times door is 16. That's getting close, right? So let's check it. 4 times 5 is 20. So what's it going to be then? 4 times?
4.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So ready? On to M. Go. Multiply 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay. S. Go. Subtract 19 minus 16 equals 4. C, go. Check, is the king happy? So instead of check, is the king happy? Let's try to say check, is the king happy? Let's try to say it faster. Okay, we don't have to sound like robots. Okay. All right, so ready? B, go. Bring down and box. Bring down the
5 and box.
All right, repeating because there's spots in the quotient. Back to determine. Ready? What's on the tray now?
4
Maddie?
times.
45's on the tray. No, that's okay. All right, ready? Determine. Ready, set, go. Determine 4 times what gets me close to 45 without going over. Just go through your 4's facts. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20. That's not really that close, so let's go up quite a bit higher. Who wants to figure something out? 4 times what?
Wait.
Oh, hold on. Is the king happy?
No.
Ah, the king wasn't happy. Ah, interesting. 4 times 4 is 16. 9 minus 6. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ah. So when we say is the king happy, we have to be really careful because did you see what happened now? We realized, wait, something's not working here. That's why. So the king wasn't happy. It was either because we picked the wrong number, which we know we didn't. It was because we did our subtraction wrong. So this is 35. All right, so we brought down, okay, let's determine. So that's good that that happened, because then you can see that error analysis. All right, let's determine it again. Ready, set, go. Determine 4 times what gets you close to 35 without going over. What's your number? 4 times 9 is 1 less 36. So what's it have to be?
4 times 8.
4 times 8, yeah. All right, ready? M, go.
Multiply.
4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, ready? S, go. Subtract 35 minus 32 equals 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay? All right, C, go. Is the king happy? Yes, this time. The 3 is less than 4. We better be careful about checking. All right, B, bring down in box. And the R is our remainder of 3, because there's no spots in the quotient. Guess what? We only have 3 left. Okay? All right, so here you go. Set up your McDonald's. Does McDonald's, go ahead, sell cheeseburgers raw? All right, let's do it together. Ready, set, go. Determine 4 times what gets me close to 8 without going over. Oh, we can share our hundreds ropes out now. 2, okay, so our first time now that we don't have a 0 there. Okay, check off determine. Okay, now let's go to M, go. Multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. Next, go. Subtract 8 minus 8 equals 0. C, go. Check. Is the king happy? Yes. It's less than 4. B, go. Bring down and box. Bring down the
4.
Okay, and repeat, because there's spots in the quotient. So what's on our tray now, Kaylee? That we're passing out is 4. Good. All right, ready? You can either, at this point, draw a line right next to these, because we are going to have 3 columns of check marks. Okay. All right, here we go. Start with determine. Ready? You guys all good? Go. Determine 4 times what gets me close to 4 without going over. Check it off. What's your number that you figured out? 4 times what gets me close to 4? Duh. 4 times 1. Good. Okay. M, go. Multiply 4 times 1 equals 4. S, go. Subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. C, go. Check. Is the king happy?
Yes.
B, bring down and box. Nice. Bring down the 8 all the way to there and box. Okay. And repeat, because there's still spots in the quotient. And look, king's not happy. There's more to share. All right, ready? Column 3. Set, determine, go. Determine 4 times what gets me close to 8 without going over. Can we try saying that faster? Ready, set, go. Determine 4 times what gets me close to 8 without going over. Then we can speed it up a little bit. Ready? What's your number? 4 times what equals 8?
4 times 2.
4 times 2, because 4 times 3 is 12. All right, so check that off. M, McDonald's, go. Multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, check it off. Subtract, go. Subtract 8 minus 8 equals 0. So we're going down into this super teacher words. Okay, ready? C, go. Check. Is the king happy? Yes. Okay. B, bring down and box. Can't bring down, but we can box. And this is our remainder, because there's nothing left in the quotient. So we have a remainder of 0. You don't have to write remainder of 0, but I just always do, because I don't want to forget to bring up the remainder. All right, 2 more. That's it. Okay, ready? Do your McDonald's. Ready, set, go. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw? Okay, nice and loud. Let's speed it up together. You're getting some good fluency with this. So ready, set, go. Determine 2 times what gets me close to 9 without going over? What's your number? Let's check it off. 2 times what? So you're going 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. You keep going until you figure out what, Riley? 2 times 4 is 8 because 2 times 5 we know goes up to 10. So 2 times 4. Now let's go to the M. McDonald's. Ready, set, go. Multiply 2 times 4 equals 8. And we write it as we say it. Okay, S, go.
Subtract.
9 minus 8 equals 1. Check, is the king happy? Can we do that faster? Say the whole thing. Ready? Check, is the king happy?
Yes.
Okay, next one. I want you to now just start. You just keep driving through it. Next, go. Bring down the 2 and box. And let's box it. Okay, and we're going to repeat. Okay, so let's start over. You drive it a little bit more now. Ready, set, go. Determine 2 times what gets me close to 12 without going over. Your number with your hand up is 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, so ready? Next step, go. Multiply 2 times 6 equals 12. Next step. Subtract 12 minus 12 equals 0. Next step. Is the
king happy? Yes.
Next step. Bring down the 7 and box. We look at what's on our tray now. We only have 7 left to share. Okay, so we need to repeat. Okay, one more row or column. Ready, set, go. Determine 2 times what gets me close to 7 without going over. James? You said 3? Okay, check it off. Okay, next, ready? Go. Multiply 2 times 3 equals 6. Check it off. All right, ready? Keep going.
Subtract
7 minus 6 equals 1. Next, check if the king happy.
Yes.
Next step.
Bring down and box.
Let's box it. Nothing to bring down. And that's our
Remainder of 1.
nice job. Guess what? We have one more to go, and that's it for this page. All right, set up your McDonald's. Ready, set, go. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers raw? All right, go through it. Run it. I'm not going to say anything this time. You run it.
Determine 3 times what gets me close to 9 without going over. 3. Multiply 3 times 20 equals 9. Subtract 9 minus 9 equals 0. Check, is the king happy? Yes. Bring down the 1. Bring down the 1 in box. Repeat. Determine 3 times what gets me close to 1 without going over. 3 times 0 equals 0. Multiply 3 times 0 equals 0. Subtract 1 minus 0 equals 1. Check, is the king happy? Yes. Bring down the 8 in box. Repeat 3 times what gets me close to 18 without going over.
What's your number?
Multiply.
What's your number?
6.
3 times 6. Okay, now check off multiply. Go.
Multiply 3 times 6 equals 18.
Check off.
Subtract 18 minus 18 equals 0. Check, is the king happy? Yes. Bring down in box. Remainder of 0.
Woo! Give yourselves a man, we're good!
Man!
is your 3-digit by 1-digit. You did a fantastic job. Give yourselves a nice fireworks. Ready? Okay, you're pretty awesome. Nice job. All right, so here we go. Let's stop this.